Hello guys, and welcome to Smarterdown, a place where we explore the tech we use daily. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your phone fast. To begin with, open your app menu and then you go to settings. Settings will be at the S column. So settings, at the settings menu, you look for about phone or my phone. And then you tap on it. Okay, tapping on it, at this my phone menu, you look for build number. You search for build number and then tap on it several times. Okay, so when you do that, it will ask you to enter your password, so you do so in order to after you have tapped your password, you go back and then go to system. At system, you see developer option, tap on it. At the developer option menu, scroll down to look for animation scale. Windows animation scale. It will be down. Animation scale will be down. So the animation scale, you set it to 0.5 or to 0.5, or you can turn it off depending on how fast you want your phone to be. So for me, I'll turn it to 0.5. Now after that, you realize that your phone Windows will change. It will be running faster than usual. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to check my RAM to see my RAM space after doing these settings. So to do that, you go to your settings and look for storage, and then that's my RAM, 503, after I've done all these settings. Now you realize my previous RAM was 413.